Alright, good morning, people of the internet. This is your boy GJ16, and what a morning. SPI, which is a low flow, it is going crazy. That thing is up almost 200% this morning. And as I pull up this information, it's well over 20% right now. It's up 246%, bro. Oh, let me go to it. Up 246%. This was my pre-market high, so I guess I moved it on up. Pre-market high. Move it on up to here. I'm guessing it's talking about some battery. I mean, not battery, but some new electric vehicle company that's coming out. They launched a new electric vehicle. But anyway, so we got a minute to the bell. $6 is the closing point, maybe. Oh my goodness, not paying attention again. I might need to change my buyers on this to short. To have a short buyers on it. Oh my god, it's failing, and it's failing hard. It's like it's all profit taking. Yeah, all profit taking right now. I had my opportunity to get my 40 cent in here. Definitely. That's what I look for. I love green to red. I mean, red to green move right there. I think I'm gonna short. I'm shorting 200 shares at right here to I think I'm gonna short right there. I mean, again, $21. and my buys down there. Now, obviously, this could go against me. What the heck was that? I'm gonna wait till I reach my goal. My goal is 21. I decided I'm getting out right there. I'm tired of the back and forth. It's probably gonna fail. I don't know. But it's been bumping into this wall time and time again. I'm taking my $22 and I'm getting out of Dodge. I've been in there way too long. I've been in there over an hour. Probably not over an hour, but I'm so tired. Other things that may move. Other things are moving faster. Like here, I can probably SPY. So 1 and 1. How many I can get out of this? 100. Let's see how this ends really. On the tip right there. If not, I get in here. The start of this next candle, which is, I'm in right there. I'm in for 480. Sell. Do it not want to hit 480? I should have been out right there. There you go. All right, a good $25 right there. See how fast that was? My gosh, I was pulling teeth on MNOV. I don't know why I stayed in there that so doggone long. When it got close down there to my goal, I should have just went on and got out. But oh, goodness, I was in SPI for a split second. Man, I'm telling you, a minute. 2 minutes, really. I was in there for 2 minutes. Ended up getting from 556 to 480 in there. Oh God, 24 cents off of it. Well, 25 cents off of it. So Could have had more, but anyway, I'm gonna pause right here and see if I can find something else. I'm sorry for the long video. Oh goodness. 2 trades today. 5 tickets in. Shouty. I shorted MNOV, which I should have had a long and a short on there, but I missed my opportunity, but I came back. And this day has been long drawn out. Bro, this day has been long. Anyway, so I'm gonna end it right here, guys. Until tomorrow. Peace.